I smoke too much. I drink too much.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this gunmetal smoky eye makeup. So first I'm using this very light eyeshadow for my brow bone because I will not go above from this, and that's why I'm using this and creating border. I'm using tape for this look and I'm using Sugar Cosmetic eyeshadow palette in the shade Warrior, and first I went for this brown color with very small amount and I'm using small bending brush, guys. Starting with my crease line and blending this slowly in circular motion with very light pressure. I'm going one time clockwise to the inner corner, then one swipe to the outer corner method.
I smoke too much. I drink too much.
So then I went with black color and I'm placing this only in my outer corner and I am not going above to my crease line, but we will blend this slowly to the crease line for smooth transition. So I forgot to mention I'm using small pencil smudge brush, guys, for this step.
We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now. Clearly now. Clearly now. We could see clearly now.
Guys, I will only use dark color where our eyeball is ending only. And now I will diffuse them for smooth transition, and I'm using same brush which I use for transition color. Guys, I'm using again black color to bring back the pigmentation, and I'm creating a V and with a straight line towards my outer corner.
We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now.
Then I will use same blending brush again and I will diffuse them.
I smoke too much. I drink too.
Now I'm using gunmetal color with a flat shading brush and I will apply up to the crease line only.
We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now.
It's not supposed to be like that. Our eyeshadow is visible only when we are raising our eyebrows, just because our eyes are hooded.
We could see clearly now. Clearly now. Clearly now. We could see clearly now.
Using black color again for bringing back the pigmentation. Then I will blend again with the same small blending brush, guys, and I'm not using any brown color. It's just only blend brush I'm using, guys. Now I have removed my tape and then I will use this black eye pencil, guys. This is Indian brand, guys. You can use other brand also.
Too much. I tell myself that I can't stop. We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now.
I will smudge my Kohl with black eyeshadow and brown, and which I use for my transition color, guys. Guys, if you like how I teach step by step, then please do like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos.
We could see clearly.
Guys, I'm taking good amount of time for blending, and you all know that blending is very important for best results.
We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now. I smoke too much. I drink too much. I tell myself that I can't stop. We could see clearly now.
After this, I went for gel eyeliner, which is from Maybelline, and it is very affordable in drugstore.
That I can't stop. We could see clearly now.
Guys, if you can't make wing, then you can only apply straight line along your lash line. And with smoky eye makeup, wing is not that much important. But if you will practice every day, then definitely you will learn.
We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now.
Now I'm creating pointed eyeliner. You can also skip this step, guys.
I smoke too much. I drink.
Now I'm using mascara, and guys, you can use any mascara that you have.
That I can't stop. We could see clearly now. 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 Clearly now. Clearly now.
I'm back with my eyelashes, and I will apply very little amount of gunmetal color near my pointed eyeliner with eyeliner brush. And then I went with some highlighter for inner corner and for my cheekbone. I'm using Wet n Wild. You can use any other brand also, guys. This is the final look. I hope you like my tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. And do let me know how much you like this video in my comment box, and we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care all, love ya.
Now. could see clearly now. We could see clearly now. We could see clearly